Hello there, my name is Gbenga. Back in August 2018, I discovered a fast and stress-free method to make money from the mega billion sports betting companies without placing a single bet. The next year, I made 2 million naira from this method, and this changed my life. In this short video, you're going to discover how sports betting companies like BetNiger, Nairabet, and so on are paying me and other young Nigerians as much as 435,000 naira a month. The beauty of this is you can earn all this money without knowing anything about football, without placing a single bet, and without owning a bet shop. Now, you might be thinking this sounds too good to be true. So, let me show you some proof from my account. As you can see here, I made 303,490 naira in January 2019. In February and March, I had some pressing family issues I needed to handle, so my account was inactive. But as you can see, by April, I made 366,756 naira. In May, I made 435,436 naira, and you can see it. In June, I made 193,964 naira, and here's it. In July, I was paid 143,841 naira. In August, it was 250,591 naira. In September, I made 86,902 naira. In October, it was 136,619 naira. In November, 105,496 naira. And I did all this without working for more than 2 hours a day and without betting. In 2020, COVID struck, which affected the sports betting industry because football matches were suspended for a while. But as you can see, I still made 211,000 in January, 50,000 in February, 42,000 naira in March, 223,000 naira in April, and on and on and on. Unlike many of the side hustles out there, what I am about to show you is a less stressful and straightforward process to make money. You do not need a lot of money to get started, and you can set everything up within 3 hours. I discovered this way of making money at the point where I didn't have any money or time to waste. You see, I got married in 2018, and the next thing I knew, the bills started to pile up. Initially, it was manageable with what I was getting from my job and also my wife's job too. But everything changed once my wife became pregnant and couldn't continue to work. At this point, I knew I needed an extra source of income. But I also knew I needed something which wouldn't take too much of my time or affect my current job, especially seeing I couldn't duplicate myself or be in two places at once. I tried a lot of things, from one small business to another, to one side hustle to another. But most of these opportunities required a lot of time, and if I was going to start making a lot of money with them, I needed to quit my job. But it was a risk I couldn't take, especially with the baby on the way. My family and I needed all the money we could lay our hands on. So, I went online and started looking for anything which could generate passive income for me without taking too much of my time or requiring me to spend a lot of money. As luck would have it, I stumbled across this opportunity where you get paid by sports betting websites, but without you placing a single bet or owning a bet shop or predicting any game. A lot of people didn't know it, and the few doing it were getting decent results. I mean, imagine getting credit alerts like this, and this every month from sports betting websites without placing a single bet. You could just decide to quit your current dead end job that pays you peanuts and stresses the hell out of you, and you could move to a new apartment or a new area entirely because you can finally afford it. You could even try to start the business you've been thinking about starting for some time now. But not just that, you now have enough money to take care of your family as you've always wanted. You also have enough money to take care of all your expenses and still have more left, even enough to give away. These were the thoughts going through my mind as I kept turning on my bed that night. But that was where it ended because the information online wasn't even comprehensive. None of the guys doing it gave a thorough explanation of how it worked or what to do. The first few months passed and I made very little money. Very little money, I tell you. But that was it. I was sure this thing worked. I only needed to do it better. So I started tweaking it and trying different things, and I lost a bit of money. You know what they say about the blind leading the blind. But the one thing I knew was it worked. So I had to find a way to keep going. After a lot of trial and error and spending lots of time and money, I was finally able to discover and perfect a way of getting more than 20 customers a day. As a result, I started making enough money which covered all my monthly expenses and I still had much left over. Let me explain how this works properly and how you can start making a lot of money with it too. As you probably know, betting websites make billions of naira every year in profits, but just like every other business out there, they need customers to make all of this money. And this is where you come in. All you have to do is introduce a customer to a betting website, and you make money every time the betting website makes money from this customer. Let's say you introduce a particular sports betting company you're promoting to Mr. A. If the sports betting company makes a profit of 100,000 naira from Mr. A, you can get paid as much as 30% or 30,000 naira, and that is just from one customer. This could be every single month or even every single day, since Nigerians love football so much and place bets on it every minute of the day. So basically, all you need to get started are three steps. Step 1, sign up as an affiliate on any of the sports betting websites. I recommend Nairabet, 1xBet, and BetNiger. Step 2, copy your referral or affiliate link. This is the link you'll be using to introduce people to the sports betting website. When people sign up through your affiliate link, you'll get paid from the profits the company gets from these customers. And step 3, start promoting your affiliate link. Now, steps 1 and 2 are the simple parts. You can sign up as an affiliate and get your affiliate link on any of the sites I mentioned within 10 minutes. Where people get stuck is step 3, and this is the most important step. That is why I got stuck too initially. Like I said earlier, it took me a lot of time and money to finally figure out a proven system of promoting my sports betting affiliate link to thousands of people every day. I call it the sports betting profit backdoor system. The good thing about the sports betting profit backdoor system is it doesn't require you to walk around and go to door asking people to join a particular betting website. I have never spoken to anybody one on one, so no, you don't need to. I don't even know most of the people I earn money from, as everything is online and automated. If you're a shy person or you don't want people to know you're involved in the betting industry, well, you don't even have to talk to your friends and family or strangers either. I'm completely anonymous online and I make all my money from strangers who don't know me and have never met me and will never meet me. You might be thinking, how much do you need to get started with this opportunity? While many of the so-called side hustles online require you to have 200,000 naira or more to get started, you won't even need more than 20,000 to get it started. Right now, a youth couple with an allowance of 19,800 a month is somewhere comfortably doing the same thing and making as much as 400,000 naira extra in a month. And just in case you're wondering how long it takes to set up the sports betting profits backdoor system, well, it takes less than 3 hours. If you're also wondering how long it takes before you can start making money, the answer is immediately. I realized there were other people out there who needed a way to make fast money online. So I went ahead to document my entire process of earning money from sports betting websites without placing a single bet or owning a bet shop into a simple step-by-step guide that anyone can follow and start making as much as 400,000 naira to 3 million naira a month. The sports betting profits backdoor guide contains 8 easy to follow step-by-step videos that shows you how to set up, start and run the system to generate a guaranteed income of up to 400,000 naira a month for you. And each video is an average of 20 minutes and you can even watch them on your phone. And just to clarify, all you need to start making up to 400,000 naira or more a month when you follow my system of promoting sports betting websites as an affiliate are 1. A smartphone or PC. 2. Less than 3 hours of your time. 3. A bank account for receiving your money. 4. Ambition, which I believe if you watch this video to this extent, you have. 5. The sports betting profits backdoor guide. Now, one thing I hear online all the time is, if he's making so much money, why is he not keeping it to himself? Why is he exposing the secret to other people? Blah, blah, blah. Well, three answers. 1. The betting industry in Nigeria is so big. Millions of naira exchange hands every day. So, whether I decide to share this passive income generating system with you or not, the money will still be made. Plus, the money you'll be making has no bearing on the money I will make either. Remember, this isn't a multi-level or network marketing business. 2. I hate the term side hustle because 90% of the time it is used to refer to a job or side business generating money for you and still taking away your time. And even though I want more money, just like you, but as an entrepreneur who has a business to manage, a family to take care of, plus a bunch of other businesses, I don't have time for a side hustle. I don't want anything which takes too much of my time, even if it makes good money. Which is why I've walked away from many side hustles and part time businesses over the last few years. And this is exactly why I created this sports betting profits backdoor guide for making money part time. Number 3, few people know this right now, so you can decide to jump on it quickly or not, but that's your decision to make. At this point, I know you're already wondering what the sports betting profits backdoor guide will cost you. I'm going to tell you, but let me ask you a question. Will you be willing to pay me 100 naira every day for the next 1 year if I could show you how to make 400,000 naira monthly? Now bring us your calculator. 100 naira every day is around 36,500 naira for 1 year. 400,000 naira monthly is around 5 million for 1 year. Now subtract 36,500 from 5 million and you get a profit of 4.9 million. Think about it. If you could pay 36,500 naira to learn how to make 5 million naira and you end up making a profit of 4.9 million after subtracting your initial 36,500 naira investment, is it a fair deal or not? But you don't even have to pay 36,500 for the sports betting profits backdoor guide. How about 25,000 naira? That's like 69 naira every day. But you still won't be getting the sports betting profits backdoor guide for 25,000 naira. You can get the sports betting profits backdoor guide, set it up within the next 2 hours, and start making as much as 400,000 naira per month for just 17,000 naira by clicking the link below this video. 17,000 naira is less than 50 naira per day. This is around 47 naira a day. Imagine giving just 47 naira every day to learn how to make 400,000 naira a month. But the sports betting profits backdoor guide for making up to 400k a month isn't the only thing you'll be getting for 17,000. When you get the sports betting profits backdoor guide, you're also going to discover how you can make money from foreign betting sites also without placing a single bet. You'll also be getting my contact details for support and any extra assistance you might need or questions you might ask. But I guarantee you won't even need this because the sports betting profits backdoor guide is so simple and self-explanatory that even a primary school dropout won't need any extra assistance. And I know you're smarter than that, but just in case, I'll give you all the extra support and assistance you need. But that's not even all. To show you how confident I am about this sports betting profits backdoor guide, I want to share with you. I am offering you a 180 days money back guarantee, which means within the next 180 days, if you do exactly what you'll be discovering the sports betting profits backdoor guide and you don't start making any money, you can request for a refund and you'll get your money back once it's verified. So what are you waiting for? Remember, you don't need to know anything about football or betting to do this. I don't, and neither do most of the guys making millions from this thing monthly. Just click the link below this video to get the sports betting profits backdoor guide and start making as much as 400,000 naira monthly. But please, do understand that this is a bumper offer that won't go on forever. You might come back to this page next week and the sports betting profits backdoor guide will be going for a higher price of 25,000 naira or more. And it still will be too cheap. After all, you can see it is worth it. So, click the link below this video to get the sports betting profits backdoor guide for just 17,000 naira and get started. My friend Emmanuel calls it his Bet Naija must pay system, and I think he's right. So it's your choice to join the moving train or not. I think it's all there is to it. So, click the link below this video to get the sports betting profits backdoor guide for just 17,000 naira and start making as much as 400,000 naira a month.